Step into a world of innovation where imagination meets reality. Discover cool inventions that redefine the future, blending creativity and technology to shape the way we live and explore. According to Japanese robotics firm Agrist, there's a shortage of farm workers in that country, resulting in lower yields than would otherwise be possible. The company is offering a partial solution to the problem, though, in the form of a pepper-picking robot. Instead of rolling on wheels or walking on legs, the robot moves along between rows of bell pepper plants on thick overhead wires, sort of like a horizontal gondola. As it performs its daily inspections of the crop, it uses multiple types of cameras, along with a proprietary AI-based computer vision algorithm to spot ripe peppers in amongst the leaves. The Hapdex Gloves G1 are designed to provide realistic touch sensations and haptic feedback in virtual reality experiences. They allow users to feel the shape, texture, and resistance of virtual objects as if they were interacting with them in the real world. The gloves incorporate an array of tactile actuators and sensors that apply pressure and vibrations to the wearer's hands. These actuators simulate the feeling of touching different surfaces and objects in a virtual environment. The gloves are capable of simulating force and resistance, allowing users to perceive the hardness or softness of virtual objects. This adds a new level of immersion to interactions in VR. Enjoy effortless walks anywhere with Gluckskind's Ella. Our uncompromising advanced parent assist system is the perfect blend of comfort and convenience, ensuring babies' and parents' well-being. Designed by parents with sky-high standards, our AI-powered smart stroller elevates the happy moments of daily parenting and lightens the stressful ones. Feel supported and savor moments of peace and quiet with features like automatic Rock My Baby or the built-in white noise machine to help soothe your little one. Muroki is an endearing robot character. Half child, half animal, this little fox-like creature from outer space has been given an extra element of soul, with a strong backstory and convincing character design, developed with the help of French animation expertise. Ultimately, Muroki could be used in the medical sector, in hospitality, or in airports to relieve personnel of exhausting logistical tasks. Because they believe that robotics can reintroduce a touch of enchantment to the world, rather than dehumanizing it, the teams at Enchanted Tools aim to revolutionize robotics by improving the acceptability of robots to promote their large-scale adoption. Muroki, a robot character with a backstory. His spirit then slips into a kind of spacesuit, the robot prototype developed by Enchanted Tools. Now Muroki has come into our lives. This specializes in providing environmental and safety solutions, including spill containment products. The Ultra Containment Berm registered is designed to help contain spills, leaks, and drips from vehicles, equipment, or storage containers, preventing hazardous materials from contaminating the environment. like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.